Hey, it's Lourdes Alden. Today I'll be depotting my blush and lipstick, and let's get into it. The following items I'll be using in this video is Vuesset Viking Jack 12 sections, e.l.f. putty blush, ColourPop lippy sticks, alcohol, toilet paper, makeup spatula, and label maker. Sanitizing my hands along with the Vuesset palette and my makeup spatula. I scooped small amount of product into its box and sanitized with alcohol in between scoops and in between shade changes, filling it up until it's full and slap the label sticker to its appropriate shade. Repeating the same steps for each putty blush shade, making sure that it's filled in every corner, mixing and spreading the product carefully. Since depotting my e.l.f. putty blush into the Vuesset palette, the texture became creamier, but it still performed the same in application and in duration of wearing it. If I feel that it's too dry or stiff, I add an Inglot Duraline onto a mixing palette and the putty blush together to get the creamy to liquid texture. The Inglot Duraline and putty blush creates a smudge-proof, waterproof liquid blush. After I've depotted my e.l.f. putty blushes, I use a Q-tip and alcohol to clean the edges to create a more clean and organized appearance. For depotting my lipsticks, I twist the lipstick bullet by 1 inch at a time and chopped it into its box. I've repeated the same steps for the last 3 lipsticks. I scooped every last bit that I could into its respective box while I disinfected with alcohol in between chops and shade changes. Once I've chopped the lipstick into its box, I grab the blow dryer in low heat mode to melt the lipstick bullet until it fills up every corner. Onto the putty blushes, I used the blow dryer in low heat mode so that the putty blushes would melt into the smooth appearance. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!